So a few weeks ago, Louis Vuitton had their first price increase of 2021. And we were all aware that the prices went up mostly on their canvas prints. But do you know that there are some popular sought after canvas pieces that actually did not go up in prices? So for today's video, I'm going to share with you some of my favorites and maybe yours too. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Antona. I post videos every week about lifestyle, luxury. I love talking about handbag reviews, tips, advices, as well as unboxings. I also do fashion, beauty, and travel. If you like that kind of content, if you would consider subscribing and click that notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. So now let's get started. So if you're a Louis Vuitton lover, we all know that Louis Vuitton had their first price increase in 2021 just a few weeks ago, or to be exact, in January. And so we all know that their canvas pieces really went up in prices as high as 25% on some pieces. And we were also aware that the leather pieces that they have did not really go up in prices. But were you aware that there are actually some popular pieces, even their canvas, that did not go up? So today I wanted to share with you some of my favorites, canvas as well as leather. And many of these are sought after items that have, as we speak, are still in their current prices. But again, you never know. Louis Vuitton can anytime increase their prices on these pieces. Some of these pieces are hard to get, so you might have to contact customer service or your SA if they could find one of these pieces for you. So the number one is the Palm Springs Mini. So the Palm Springs Mini right now is $1,990. And what I love about this bag is that this bag is so functional and it's very practical because it's not only a backpack, but it also can be worn crossbody. And I love this because it's small, but it can fit a lot. So I've been contemplating if I need to get this bag, and I'm pretty sure this will go up in price. If you're into backpack and you've been looking at the Palm Springs Mini, then you know you might want to save up for it if that's really what you want. Or yeah, so just want to let you know that the Palm Springs Mini, it's still on its old price of $1,990. A lot of ladies love their Palm Springs Mini. It's because it's so versatile. So that's why, you know, I'm considering one for myself. So the second one is one of the favorite also is the Nano Speedy. And I know this bag looks really tiny, but this bag seems to fit a lot. I love how small it is, but it can pack a lot. Because the reason why I don't like mini bags, and I've said that many times on my videos, is because I want to carry my essential, like especially now in the pandemic, you know, you need like your hand sanitizer, your wallet, and your phone. So I don't like to carry my phone with me all the time. So I want to be able to slip my phone as well in the bag. So the Nano Speedy, even though it is so small, but it can fit a bigger phone as well. So the Nano Speedy right now, the price is $1,180. So that one did not go up in price yet. But again, who knows, you know, Louis Vuitton can anytime increase their price. So just want to let you know that if you are loving the Nano Speedy and you've been waiting and looking for this, and I know it is hard to find right now, but you could always contact customer service or your sales associate to kind of, you know, find one for you, or, you know, stock the website. You might, you know, score your Nano Speedy. All right, the third one is the Noe line from Louis Vuitton. So I'm talking about, you know, the Noe BB. It's still $1,340, and I really love Noe BB. And I have the classic Noe. It is a bigger Noe. I've had this one for several years now. You know, I'm guessing maybe more than 13 years. And you could see it had patina a lot. And so the Noe line did not go up in price yet. And so the Noe BB, it's 1,340. The Nano Noe, which I know a lot of people who are into mini bags, this one of course did not go up in price. It's the same price as the Nano Speedy, which is 1,180. So I think this is great. You know, if you love the bucket bag, you know, you should look at the Noe bags. And also one of the Noe line that actually went down in price, and yes, it went down in price, is the beautiful NeoNoe Empreinte. So the old price for the NeoNoe Empreinte was $2,700, and now it is $2,390. So yeah, it went down in price. So if you are not into canvas, if you like the leather more, then you might want to consider the NeoNoe Empreinte. I actually love the black one. I think it's beautiful, and you could actually dress it up or down because it's all leather. So yes, the number 4 on my list are the Speedy line. So I'm just talking about the Speedy 25 to 40. There's no change in price, although their bandoliere went up $40 more on their prices. So the regular Speedy or the classic Speedy, they remained with their old prices, but the bandoliere did go up in price. So the number 5 on my list is my friend Francesca's favorite, one of her favorite bags, and one of her addition to her collection is the Boite Chapeau. I know Miss Photogenic Insta by Jen also have this one. The Boite Chapeau is so beautiful. It is $2,550, and this one did not have a price increase. And I was watching Bling Empire on Netflix not too long ago, and I saw one of the ladies there, the main character, she actually have a Boite Chapeau. And yeah, so I'm really surprised that Louis Vuitton did not raise their prices on the Boite Chapeau. So it remained at $2,550. And the next one, which I think is really cute and it's very versatile, this one is a little bit a trendy part. It is their Croisette. So the Croisette had remained $1,790. And what I love about this bag, the Croisette, it is, you know, you could wear it shoulder bag and you could also wear it top handle. And I love bags that are versatile like that, that you could just easily switch depending on what you're wearing. And you know me, I love my crossbody bags. So the Croisette is really a great bag from Louis Vuitton, and for them to still be on the same price, I think it's a great deal. And you know, I'm not sure of all these bags, they will go up in prices once Louis Vuitton will hit their second price increase. I know with their card holder, it used to be $215. With the price increase, it did not change, but I noticed recently that they went up $5. So Louis Vuitton is kind of sneaky and adding like $5 on that price. But like last week when I look at it, or a few days ago, it went up $5. So yeah, so the card holder did go up in price. So yeah, so the Croisette is such a great addition to your collection if you want the trendy pieces, if you like a little bit of an edge from Louis Vuitton. And the Croisette also comes in different canvas. That's what I love about this. It comes in the, what I like about the Croisette is their damier azur, as well as the damier ebender is really cute. So yeah, so the Croisette actually did not go up in price. The next one is the Capucine, or I don't know how you pronounce this, but so the Capucine, it's still at $4,200. So if you're into this type of bag, this bag, again, it's one of their leather pieces, so it remained the same price, the mini for $4,200. And I haven't really noticed the other sizes, but I think they remain the same. But the mini remains at $4,200. So yeah, so if you love the Capucine bags, or if you love the Capucine lines from Louis Vuitton, just want to let you know that these bags did not go up in prices yet. All right, so the number 9, a lot of ladies love this bag, it is their Petite Malle bag had remained on the old price. So the Petite Malle or Petite Malle actually stayed in their old price. So if you're into or looking into getting a Petite Malle for yourself, then, you know, just to let you know that these bags had remained on their old price. All right, so the number 10, which I know a lot of people love this bag, and of course it is expected because, you know, the leather did not really go up in prices. Most of the leather bags did not go up in prices, is the twist bag. So the twist bag, it's in all sizes. They actually stayed the same price, and I love the twist bag. You know, I think it's so edgy and it's a different kind of look. So I love the twist, and so if you're into the twist bag, then yes, this bag did not go up in prices. So those are my 10 Louis Vuitton bags that did not go up in prices. But my 11th one, I have an 11th one, and it is my Louis Vuitton Alma BB in Epi leather. And the Epi leather in Louis Vuitton did not go up in prices, not only in the Alma BB, but also in the Noe, the NeoNoe. It did not go up in price. And this one, actually, it still remained as $1,760. And I love this. It's all leather. It's, you know, understated, and I just love this bag. So this bag had remained its old price, but the other Alma BB, the canvas print, did go up in prices. So yeah. So those are the Louis Vuitton bags that actually had remained their prices, and I really don't know for how much longer or when it's going to be the next price increase, but I've heard through the grapevine that there is going to be another price increase, or there's going to be a second wave. I don't know how true that is, but yeah, so I'll keep you updated on that. But for the meantime, these are the bags that did not go up in prices, and those are some of the bags that are my favorite. So if I do decide in getting one, I know it wasn't on my wish list, but I'm looking at the Palm Springs Mini. I really love how versatile that bag is. And I'm also considering the Nano Speedy because I think that is also a great versatile piece, and it's small, and, you know, for the price, it's not so bad, you know, that you could wear it on a day-to-day basis. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope that you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you soon.